Hey there, it's Mark. Here's some treasure hunts. Well, I got a box set. Look at the bottom line. HW Treasure. So there's a JCPenney treasure hunt box set in here. Oh, a whole tub of treasure hunts. Yeah, I used to not care. I still don't care too much, really. So all of these are loose treasure hunts from early years of collecting. This cord actually has white walls. You're going to see the version that was in the treasure hunt set. Oh yeah, patriotic, red, white, and blue. You know the name of that car? Hey look, Ferrari. Mattel used to have Ferrari. Now Ferrari's back. This one had a metal base. It was a variation. Metal base. There's the other one. And black base. Did you know there was a variation on that yellow Ferrari? Well, let's go ahead and check out the box set. So I went ahead, took it out of the box set. That's not really a shipping box. It's just kind of a thin box to keep this nice. Like I said, this is my second one. The other one's on eBay. So this goes in that, and then that gets bubble wrap on it, and then that gets put in the shipping box. It does not get shipped like that. It's very thin cardboard. As a matter of fact, the one that I put on eBay, the shipping box is better. This one of the cardboard tabs tore off. So I put the best one on first. I'm not going to keep them because it's okay. Like the Ford GT40 right here. Oh yeah, one of my favorite cars to collect. Ford GT40. I'm going to keep one in the package. I'm going to have one loose, at least one loose. But I don't need this one in this set. It's like, it's enough. It's okay. I'll collect this car and I'll keep it in. Maybe I have one in the package as well. I'm not sure. But I don't need the box set. If I want a car, I can have a loose. And then even then, I might not even want the car at all. By the way, I said that I think it was 2006 when they started having basic treasure hunts and super treasure hunts all in the same cases. So like 15 a year. I think it's 15 a year. But not all of them had rubber tires, even though there's one version. So like here at the Lakester, plastic tires. That's the only way it was released, with plastic tires. There's another one in here with plastic tires. Which one is it? Do you know? It's kind of a trick question. We'll get to it soon enough. Here we have Double Vision. This little dark little shade casting a little shadow up on the name. Double Vision. By the way, you see that TH logo? I think all of the cars had that TH logo this year. They don't always have a TH logo every year. I can angle it to show you the top. Yeah, I'll do that for the top row. Sweet 16 2. Sequel to an original Hot Wheels Redline. Was this? Nope, I don't think so. Chaparral is actually a sequel. Chaparral 2. There was an original Redline. Chaparral, one of my favorite Redlines when I was a kid. Yes, I was a kid during the Hot Wheels Redline era. Here you have the 67 Pontiac GTO. Gold accents, gold base. That's a plastic base. Gold hubs. Very nice. Would I keep one of these loose? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I would even keep one loose. That one's going to go in this set. Here you have the 2000 Treasure Hunt Toe Jam. Triple axle 6-wheeler. There's the logo that they have. It's a star logo this year. It says TH2000. Hey, I forgot to say, this is the Millennium set. Year 2000. Everything was supposed to crash in the year 2000. What? You're not even 25 years old? Never mind. You'll have to look it up on the internet. I'm not going to explain it right now. There you go. Lakester. Lakester actually has an opening feature. The body opens up. This is like a salt flat racer. It's not on this side. There's a hinge on the other side. And so the body, don't follow me. The body opens up like this, long ways. And then it exposes the engine on the inside. As opposed to a hood. Any of these have opening hoods? Dum, boom, 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 boom. No opening hoods. Anyways, hoods would open this way or they'd open this way. This one had opening feature. It opened that way. The whole green part opens that way. 57 T-Bird. This is the porthole version. Has a porthole right there on the pillar. They were all like this. I'm just saying Hot Wheels has two castings. They have a porthole version and a non-porthole version. Basically. There may be others. I'm not sure. Oh, you want to look at the 4GT again? Me too. How pretty. I wonder if I have one loose in that tub. By the way, I'm going to show those loose treasure hunts. I'm going to make a separate video. Hey, I don't want it to be too long. Here you have the Accord, the 1936 Accord. You see this version has black rubber tires. In the singles, there was white walls. So I definitely like that version compared to this black wall version. To each their own. It's up to you. Here you have the go-kart with, this one was really nice too. Just like here, it was white body with gold accents, rubber tires, white body, gold accents. Hey, wait a second. That's not a rubber tire. So if you guessed go-kart and you didn't type, this was the trick one. One rubber tire, one plastic tire. They were all like that. There's the name, go-kart. Pikes Peak Celica, for those people who like to collect Toyotas. Maybe you want this Pikes Peak Celica. By the way, the logo is so tiny for the star logo right there. Star logo just this year. Wait a second. Where's this? Oh, it's very tiny. I have to be careful it doesn't fall. You can fall backwards. It's okay. TH logo right there. The number 7. 7. No, I don't know what the number 7 goes. It's not even the number 7 in the series. Number 9. Anyways, last one here. 1970 Chevelle SS. That's okay. Flames are kind of interesting. I'll just say that. Just kind of interesting. I just realized that it was kind of... What happens is I use a blue fabric for my eBay sales. And the blue fabric, it kind of puts glare. So here it is black. You can see the logo on the back. You have your rear rider tires, deep dish hubs. Cool car. I don't necessarily have to keep this one. I'm gonna go back real quick just in case I had the glare from the blue fabric. Just like my other set, 3 seals. Here you have a paper seal, so you can see it's still sealed. Then you have a circle pieces of tape, not returnable if opened. Another one over here. You can see it's still solid. Got a nice little handle for your briefcase. I don't know if we can read the text there because of the reflection. I don't know if I can get a picture. If I can, I'll put it here. If it's not here, then guess what? Couldn't get it. Okay, now I got my black fabric. When I take the eBay pictures, I have that there, and then I put this in front of me. So this way, this doesn't reflect up on the blister packs, especially the blister packs. Very reflective. Let's see, can we see year 2000? There you go. Year 2000, El Segundo. Made in China, India, or Malaysia, or Thailand is marked. I have no idea what they're all like. Just scan this real quick, just in case you want to see it. Because we're getting ready to... Not yet? Go. So I got my tub. Yeah, it's dusty. It's okay. That's why I usually use plastic for my containers, if it matters, right? The cord over there. Here is the white wall version. Definitely like this. People might not have liked the orange windows, but that's okay. Very nice car. Toe jam. Toe jam. Logos on the roof. A large Tampo toe jam. Yeah, if you're an old timer, you know what I'm talking about. There's your triple axle, 6-wheeler, rubber tires, has treads. There's toe jam, little tow truck. I actually did a quick snippet of this on Track Time years ago. Oh, double vision, the one up there. Here's a look at the double vision. Just for the heck of it, I just grabbed a few. When I do this video right here, when I take the cars out of here, I might, I don't know. Will I take them out? I don't know. That'll be coming. I was going to use this for the outro, but the vehicle, look at it right here. Has this spot. Well, how are you going to hook this up? You have the hook. You know, the hook for the tow truck. It can't hook. It can't reach in there. So I wind up putting the cord on there. There you go. Anyways, my collectibles, anything I'm not keeping, are put on eBay. Maybe there's something you'd like to add to your collection. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.